What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Murnav. You're watching in Fine Study. It's good to see your smiling faces again. If you're smiling, that's awesome. If you're not, please do. It's good for your health. So, without any further, let's talk about today's video. So, today's video is basically based upon three editing tips or three DaVinci tips, because one of the tip is not editing tip. Three DaVinci tips that you should know as a beginner for starting up your video editing as a professional, to make your look as a professional. So without any further, let's get into the video. So as you guys know, this is the second episode of the Black Friday. We are going to start with something special, means our tutorials starting with some special. It would also look cool and it would also look great and also help you in the editing process. But it would be the second tip. Let's talk about the first tip. The first tip that you should know is setting the frame rate, because each camera processes its video at different frame rates. As example, the phone in which I am shooting shoots at 29.97 frames, which is estimatedly 30 frames per second. So before I start the editing, I turn the 24 frames per second to 30 frames per second, so that it would be easier for me while editing. It would edit and help a lot. If you want to know how the frame rates help, ask me in the comments or DM me and I will answer your question. Or it will be very long if I make you understand the whole thing in this video. Then let's talk about the second tip. The second tip is clip color. You should color your clip so that it would be easy for you to understand which clip you are using. Like if you color the first clip as pink, let the second clip be brown, so that you understand that the first clip does not match with the second clips, because DaVinci gives the video as a green color and the audio as a blue color or something like that. So if you are not coloring the clips, then it would be difficult for you to understand which one you are using. Like sometimes it happens that if there is something much important in the video, I use a light green color, so that I make more focus on that while I am editing. So this is the second tip. So guys, let's jump to the third tip. The third tip for editing is using Ctrl+B as your editing method, means cutting the video. Because sometimes it happens while editing that you see that there is a difference of frame, like you are ending up the frame at 18 but you accidentally cut the frame at frame 19. So that creates a bit of messy work, because even a frame gap can cause huge difference in the video. So that's why use the Ctrl+B. Just position the timeline viewer on the place that you want to cut and press Ctrl+B to cut that exact position. Just right click on that footage so that it gets selected. So these were the three tips that you should know as a beginner. Let's give a bonus tip to the viewers who watched till this point. So the bonus tip is, sometimes it happens that you don't have a powerful GPU. So the video does not get run at a normal frame rate at which it should run. So for that, change the playback speed from the proxy mode from full resolution to a quarter resolution. That would reduce the video size and that would help you to get the exact playback speed. But then also I recommend you a GPU, because the GPU would process it more faster and you would not have glitch, because after color grading you will have a glitch. And that's the three tips that you should know, and with the bonus tip. So these were the three tips. Hope you guys liked the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and bye bye for now.